guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this iPhone XR Black. So just take it out of the box. Now around the box there wouldn't be that much info. You guys should see your serial number underneath, but we can check that out in our settings anyways. So let's take out that plastic. Now let's open it up. And here we go. So before we get to the iPhone, all the accessories, I want to show you in here something you guys will need, which is this guy. This guy's the only important thing. Other than that, you guys get stickers, manuals, and all that. But this guy is for your SIM card, okay, to put it in and put it out. So make sure you guys have that. If you ever lose it, you guys can always use an earring, by the way. So I'm just gonna set that apart. And here comes our iPhone. So here's our iPhone XR. I'll turn it around. That's how cool it looks. Anyways, let's set that apart right now. I'm gonna show you what you guys get in here. So this is standard. The newer ones are a little bit different. So if you guys get an iPhone 11 Pro Max, for example, this guy is different. And in here we should get our cable, standard cable. So this cable would be the same as a iPhone 7, 8, 6S, for example. It would be the exact same cable. Headphones. Headphones are different. Okay, so headphones, you guys will see this plug, because it's not a regular plug anymore. Right now, here is where you have to plug in your headphones with the newer iPhones. They do not have that 3.5 audio input like the ones from before had. So these are the headphones you guys get. You do not get those AirPods that you guys seen. Those you do have to purchase separately. So these guys are the ones that you're gonna get in here. So right now, this is everything that you would get inside the box with your new iPhone XR Black. And finally, we get to look at the actual iPhone. So here it is. Now let's turn it around, because most of you got it precisely because of this color. You'll notice the camera up here in the top. There's a lot of dust on this, I don't know why. Anyways, there's the flash. On the side, we're gonna see our volume keys. This is to put silence and unsilence, okay? So if you guys want your phone to vibrate, that's the switch right there. Again, those are volume keys. On the side here, this would be your power key, also your Siri key. And down here below, we just have it to charge, all right, speakers. On the top, there's nothing. With older iPhones, you would have the power key up here. Newer iPhones do not have the power key up here. And that's all for this iPhone. As you guys can see, it's very simple, very sleek design. We will be doing a manual and a setup video where you guys can see this guy in power and doing its thing. We're also going to do a few other videos about an iPhone XR so you guys can see everything that has to do with it. What I can tell you about the color itself is that what you guys see in the camera is really close to what you're gonna get. So usually sometimes when we're filming and we get certain colors, they don't really film that well. However, this color is almost 99% there. So what you guys see on this screen, that's the color that you're gonna get if you guys go with this iPhone XR. Anyways, that's it for this video. It's just a quick unboxing. You guys can get to see exactly what's inside the box. We're gonna see with the other videos exactly how this powers on, how it does, and then after a few months, we're gonna do a quick review about it to see how it held up against other iPhones, including an iPhone 11, 11 Pro that we have to test out. So we're gonna test all these guys out one against each other and see the major differences between all of them. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write it down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.